and I can allege that our judiciary has been compromised. Now, executive NDC for no, or their review say executive must manage or must have a say in how the judiciary operates, which is not supposed to be so, which is not good for democracy. Now, because they wanted to do that, and the woman who is the head of the judiciary wouldn't allow such executive interference into judicial affairs, they made it a point to go for her position. Now, you would wonder, ideally, why would you want to go in for the Chief Justice, blah, blah, blah. The issue was that NDC, before then, knew whatever thing they had commissioned in terms of oral. This whole thing began with oral. Oral, they just said, NDC for them say, sir, plenty files omudiko two table no so they took pictures with at the presidency, Most of the things captured there are not things that would win them any case in court. Please, power tap, mame. They are not things that will win them any case in court. So because they knew that, they want to find a way. Say there's something called High Court. From High Court, say a Court of Appeals. From Court of Appeal, a Supreme Court. In the end, the Supreme Court is responsible, is a final stop when it comes to this country of all issues. So they knew a lot of things that they were going to take to court will be eventually challenged. Now, Oko Supreme Court, paneling. You panel judges. I think per our law, say odd numbers every time and then every case say paneling of the court of the judges odd numbers. And you can put 3, 5, 7, 9 judges on the case, dependent. So when you put maybe 5 people on the case and the judge they pass the ruling and you want to go for an appeal, you put 7 people on it. So, Mami, you are welcome. So now, who does the paneling? The paneling is done by the Chief Justice. Now, because John Mahama, His Excellency, cannot control Gertrude Araba and tell her that for this very case, I want these judges to be put on the case and all. They want to make away with her. Now, in realizing this thing, it is sad because me and those of us in the MPP, we believe in the judiciary. So it is very difficult for me to say this. But looking at the way the judiciary is behaving, is acting towards the embattled Chief Justice, it leaves me with no other option than to think that our judiciary has been compromised. Jackie, thanks you for the gift. I can say and I can allege that our judiciary has been compromised. Now, there's a case that was sent to the Human Rights Court. Mama said that's the fact. And this case that was sent to the Human Rights Court is about the fact that Justice Gertrude Araba feels that her human rights have been infringed upon. Sadly, this evening, I'm so sad to report to you that that case has been thrown out of court. Mr. BJP, so what will happen to the judiciary when MPP win power? I will answer that shortly. Okay? The case that Gertrude Araba Tokono has sent to the Human Rights Division of Accra High Court has been thrown out of court, that it does not have merit. And this is going to be very, very, very interesting. The reason I'm saying it is going to be very interesting is because it is this same case that has been sent to ECOWAS Court. The case that has been sent to the Human Rights Court in Accra, which has been thrown out, is the same case that has been sent to ECOWAS Court. Now, our suspicions about our judiciary now becoming biased will be substantiated if ECOWAS Court actually sits on this case and finds that there is a merit in it. Mami said that's how we should concentrate on ECOWAS Court, right? Mrs. Ebijef said, where is this nation headed to? Okay? So if ECOWAS Court should produce a ruling and the ruling favors Gertrude Araba Tokono, then we have questions to ask from the judges who are throwing the cases out of court right here in Ghana. Now, I'm not a judge, and so far the only law I've read so far is health law, and it was just one semester in the university. So I want to ask you, if we all accept that courtesies extended to a Supreme Court judge, not even Chief Justice, a Supreme Court judge, include not searching them, and other countries even agree to it, meaning that if a Supreme Court judge of Ghana maybe travels from here, goes to US, you don't see them patting his or her body. And right here in Ghana, there's a hearing going on, and that is done. They are searching their body, the human's body. At least, me, I don't know any law, but I think that one alone there, it should constitute a right abuse. So if you throw the case out of court, are you telling me that the searching of a body is not substantiated, is not true? Because the only time you tell me you have thrown the case out of court is when you have gone into the case and say that they have not searched a body. But I'm not sure a woman in the repute of Gertrude Araba Tokono, okay, will come and hold press briefing and lie to the whole nation. I'm not sure she will do that. Jackie says that Ghana is in ruins. I agree with you. I'm not sure she will do such a thing. And it's sad. And it's problematic. Sad and problematic. This is where we have arrived as a country. This is how low we have sunk. This is the lowest of the lowest that we can go as a nation. And this is being supervised by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We will keep calling him His Excellency. We will keep adding it to his name because he is the president of this republic. And we expect him to rule per the constitution that he swore an oath to. And I says that how I wish the ECOWAS court goes in favor of Tokono. That's our prayer too. Faith says, Lord, you must be hungry. Faith, you don't know us. You don't know me. You don't know me. Okay, I'm hungry. Send me money, please. I would really love it for you to send me money. So Faith, send me money since you know I'm hungry. This is not democracy. John Dramani Mahama, this is not democracy. And it's now looking as though His Excellency John Dramani Mahama does not care about whatever legacy he leaves. No, no, no. He has said, damn the consequences, damn legacy. He does not care. He just wants to victimize people. He just wants to have his own way these 4 years. He just wants to amass as much wealth as possible. But posterity will be the best judge. Posterity will be the best judge. One day, you can brutalize people, you can make away with the law, you can have your own way. But power would one day change hands. And when it does, that is when everybody will get to know their smoothness level. So that's an update about what's been happening to the Chief Justice. Mami says that vindictiveness is the order of the day. And that is what is happening to our Chief Justice. Now let's proceed. The second minor topic I want